I think that I can safely say the combination of this keyboard and this mouse is awesome. That looks super cool. If you have a couple of white computers, one white computer, I think that that's an awesome combination. This right here is the RK Royale KLUDGE keyboard. And then this right here is the AJ52 Pro gaming mouse, which unfortunately I am going to be returning. And I have a reason that I'm going to be returning that. But first, let me show you this keyboard and something that I have to say I don't really like about it. It does not have feet. So you're going to have to get some sort of something to put there. If you're like me and you like your keyboard kind of tilted up, it doesn't have feet on it. Other than that, this keyboard is insane. I personally like this color, but this is the only color that you can actually choose from. It's like a very cool white, almost blue tone. I really like that. And then this mouse right here is much more blue than it is white. But the reason that I'm going to be returning this mouse, which let me quickly show you here how you change the color. You click these little two buttons here, and it does come with a dongle, and then there are a few different options that you can choose from on the bottom. This also adjusts your DPI. Now, the reason that I'm going to be returning this mouse is because the application that it tells you to install, I'm going to do this with you here so that you can see, ajazz.com. Yeah, see, there you go. Threat secured. You just saw that, right? Like, I'm not lying to you. And this is why I'm returning this mouse. I literally didn't go to download anything. Like, it literally just popped up, the website itself. So, like, company, if there's something you can do to fix that, then that's a recommendation for you. But I'm not going to risk downloading anything. And second of all, I don't know what to download. You see this, right? I don't know, like, what part am I supposed to download here, you know? So